Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Code Vein 2 game not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, crashing, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then select network settings and click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to clear cache of Code Vein 2 game. For that, press Xbox Guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Code Vein 2 game, then press menu. Then select Manage Games and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space. Finally, tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once the update process is finished, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next solution is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connection. Now click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for Code Vein update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and once the game is updated, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system. Now click on settings, then click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Code Vein 2 game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Code Vein 2. Now click on menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Code Vein 2 official website and download the game and then try to play it and see if this helps to fix the issue. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.